Yo, I just got out of the craziest shift of my life and I killed it. I'm happy. It's time to celebrate.
She's my friend. My girls wanna fuck on weed, she know my pocket's dense.
Let's go!
On two girls, I didn't know them two were friends. I just fucked on two girls, I didn't know them two were friends. Sell out.
Okay, that is hot. Oh. I don't have hot sauce. And the hot sauce allowed this dry food to not be dry and be moist. And so now I'm eating dry food. 54 grams of protein. Alright, so the problem with a lot of shirts, I don't usually buy clothes from outside, but when I do buy clothes, a lot of the times the problem is that the fitting isn't perfect. And so this is where the shirts are fit. See, look, I'm about 5'3", but when I wear shirts like this, I am 6'3". It allows me to gain a whole foot long. So I recommend hemming your shirts, making them fit the way that they should fit, and not just using the stuff that's off the shelves. Alright, let's make a chicken sandwich. We just came back from the gym. Let's make chicken sandwich. Look at all this chicken. I'm making it in a Ziploc bag because I don't like doing dishes, and so I could just throw out the dish or the bag. It's pretty smart, right? Oh baby. That is. Hold up. Gotta weigh this. Very hot. Very hot. Okay, that is about 200 grams of chicken. Alright, time to put this back in. God damn. Oh my god. Alright, now we put the cheese. If you're really trying to understand what you're eating, weigh your food. Please, listen to me. Weigh your food, okay? If you don't weigh your food, you're just not gonna understand what you're really eating, and you'll never understand why you're still fat. Chicken with the cheese. Oh my god. This is a sandwich. I like keeping things simple, man. I don't like going too crazy with my food. Just keep it simple. But let me tell you how much protein we got in this. 60 grams of protein. Brothers and sisters. 60 grams of protein in this sandwich. And chicken thigh. Shall we go? Eight and a half out of 10. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. The sandwich is falling apart. How I would improve this? Better bread. I don't like this bread. This bread sucks. It gets wet too quick. killed it with the seasoning this time. Look, when it comes to cooking, keep it simple. Look, paper plate, we'll throw that out. Chicken in Ziploc bag, we'll throw that out. This cup, we'll pretend like I didn't use it, and then my sisters will clean it up. Just between you and me. Okay, let's get my final meal, drink. I don't know. Yeah, baby. Oh no. It's over. I recommend this. Look at this. 18 grams of protein per 250 milliliters. Crazy, right? And it tastes like milk. It literally tastes like milk. This is the part where I don't show my mom. This is what I don't show me, mom. You know, just a little bit of white powder. Never hurts anybody. Nice. Alright, I mentioned, this is about 30 grams of protein. That's pretty cool. I don't know, today I guess I'll just showcase what I ate. But tomorrow is going to be a busy day. Today was a busy day too. Today was crazy. But I loved it. Tomorrow I think it's going to be even crazier, more hectic. We'll see. But anyways, I ate about 1,400 calories and got about 175 grams of protein. Pretty good, right? Look, I don't always talk about this, but I am back on the cut, so therefore I'm very meticulous about what I eat. I don't like to track every little detail. It's annoying to a lot of people, but it works for me. And that's just how I go about it. Though I do have to say, the bulk was nice. I mean, it wasn't necessarily a bulk, but it was just careless eating. Just eating for the pleasure of eating, which is great. But now we need to get back on track and get focused, baby. So it's time to lock in. Hell yeah. I'm tired. And I still have to do some more work. What time is it? It is almost 10:30. Are you about to kiss me? Don't you know I have a girl?